How to change country of YouTube channel. Hey everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your preferred browser. If you are using your Android, you will need to go to studio.youtube.com, or you can also use the application YouTube Creator. The process is still the same for desktop version as well. After that, what you will have to do is go to channel info, go to settings, and then here you will find an option, different options, and among them go to channel. Here select country of residence, select your country, and you will be done. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.